welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to go so out of my comfort zone and just like muck around. I was inspired by this girl on Instagram and I thought I'd follow a little bit of her tutorial on Instagram, and I came up with this look and I absolutely love it. I say this every time I do a tutorial, but I think this is hands down my favorite. I've never done something like this before, so I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to make this quick because my battery light is flashing and I'm like dead. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it would mean the absolute world. I don't know why I have a British accent. Really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. I honestly had so much fun creating this look. I've never done such a bright colour and I'm loving it. Loving the pink. Was feeling a pink vibe, as you can tell. Enjoy this video and let me know what you think, and also tell me what videos you'd like to see in the future. Alright, love you guys.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down. Talk with our head in the clouds.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. Soon I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.